Hello guys, I am Lavanya of First BCom from Sheshadrapuram Degree College, Mysuru. I am here to explain the concept of event management and their classifications. Firstly, let us know the introduction and meaning of event management. Many people doesn't know how the national and international level sports events, cultural events, political meet, exhibition shows are conducted. All these programs are not conducted in single hand or within a short span of time. Each program requires the efforts of many people and experts and organizations. Thus, an event is an organized activity of many people and other stakeholders. For example, if you want to conduct a sports tournament, you have to consider the various points like selecting and deciding the type of tournament, selecting the date and sponsors, choosing the venue, means of transportation, assembling the supplies for tournament, advertising the tournament, finalizing medals, awards and certificates, seating arrangements, safety of guests and other people. Meaning, event management is the process of planning, organizing, staffing, coordinating and controlling the various activities relating to an event for the satisfaction of stakeholders involved in it. For example, in the case of sports event, the various activities to be performed for its success includes selection of venue, selection of date, stage design, arrangement infrastructural facilities, team and referee selection, selection of promoters, create catering, prize awarding, etc. These are arranged sequentially to ensure success. Now, let us know the classifications or types of events. An event can be classified into the following types: political event, entertainment event, sports event, education or academic event, business event, social events, corporate events, religious event, fundraising event, awareness building events, international trade events, crafts and creativity events. Political events. A gathering or a function arranged by a political party or by a candidate to promote the theme of a party to the party members or to the general public is known as political event. Political procession, demonstration, speech by a political party are some of the examples for political events. Entertainment events. Entertainment events are many types. They generate maximum publicity and viewership among the target audience. Events such as music concert, fairs, festivals, dance, drama performances, shows are some of the examples. Sports event. Events conducted to promote sports activities are called sports events. Events such as Olympics, World Cup, marathons are some of the examples for the sports events. Education or academic event. Education events are those where students, academicians and industry representatives meet and discuss a relevant subject related to education, education fair, job fair, workshop, seminar, debate, conference, etc. are some of the examples for academic events. Business events. Corporate undertakings or business houses host a variety of events in the form of meeting, conventions, workshops, presentations. Some business events are in the form of formal meetings such as board meeting of a company directors, and other informal meetings are in the nature of the involvement of large groups such as business dinners, etc. Social events. Social events are programs arranged by a family members, relatives, friends and other interested parties. Events like birthday party, wedding anniversary, naming celebrations, engagements, retirement day, graduation day are some of the examples. Corporate events. Corporate events are also business events. However, these events are organized in big group of undertaking during a new product launch, road shows, buyer seller meets to create a mass awareness about the product and product promotions or sales. Religious events. Religious events are organized to hold some kind of religious festivals, religious processions, pravachanas, religious conventions, fairs, festivals. Fundraising events. Events organized to raise funds from the public for the purpose of any justifiable cause are known as fundraising events. Funds are raised for charitable purpose, philanthropic purpose, and to help the needy during the natural disasters are some of the examples for fundraising events. Awareness building events. The events organized for the purpose of creating awareness among the people about certain causes, evils, social responsibilities are called awareness building events. The events can include rallies, candlelight marches. International events. Events which drew a huge audience at the global level and aim to improve relationship among the nations for strategic, business and political purposes. International trade shows, conferences, cultural festivals are some of the examples for international events. Crafts and creativity events. These events are organized for the purpose of holding arts and crafts exhibitions to discover unique talent in the society. For example, arts and crafts fairs, exhibitions, fairs and expos for indigenous products. So, these are some of the classifications or types of events. Thank you.